What is going on, YouTube? How you guys doing? This is actually like T-minus 2 days to Truck Mania, and the truck's not quite ready yet. But by the time you see this, we'll probably be on our way Friday, heading up to Truck Mania. So we have things to wrap up today. We're gonna try my tunes, try to download them, try to get rid of this check engine light for the TCM. Come to find out, you cannot shut ABS off through, or as far as I know, you can't shut ABS off through EFI Live. But anyways, we have a ton of work to do, a ton of stuff to get prepped. I'm waiting on a few parts, but let's at least download these tunes. I'm gonna go over that, and hopefully we're good to go. Alright, so excuse the mess on the floor. I live on dirt, which sucks. But anyways, we plugged this into the OBD2 under the dash. We're now going to, it's kind of hard to do one-handed, but well, there we go. It's plugged in now to the flash scan. I don't know, the lighting's pretty bad. Oh, come on. All right, either way. So now we got power to it. It's probably gonna be hard to see, it's spread out. Key forward, just shut my headlights off. And then we're going to go into tune tool, tuning, and I believe program full is gonna do it. Might be able to do cal because we're not changing the operating system, but might as well just update everything. If this is wrong, just let me know. So, as you can see there, tuning, program full, read file, my LOI after ZF6, then hit OK, and now it's going to start working. So now, you're going to let it do its thing. It's going to go through all the, trying to see if you guys can see this. License this controller now. So this is for the VIN license we bought last night. Yes. Operation can't be undone. Yes. So it's going to take a few minutes, it's going to do its thing, just make sure it stays plugged in. I don't want to keep you guys sitting here staring at it, but it's going to erase, files, re-download all the stuff, and basically I'll clear the check engine light after this and see if we made any headway. So just like last time, it's going to ask to turn the key off and press OK. The gauge just kind of went crazy, so turn it off. Press OK. Now we get a 20-second countdown for the tune. Now here's the moment of truth, really. And we're gonna wait for this to finish up, and we'll clear the codes, and then start the truck and see if the check engine light's gone. It should, I hope, should be gone. So all set here. I'm gonna go key back on. Back diagnostics. Trouble codes, clear DTCs, yes. Sorry if you guys can't really see this, the sun's probably right on it. So the codes have been cleared. So now we're gonna go ahead and try it. We're gonna shut the key off and start the truck. And we still have a check engine light. What do you know? See what it's on for. Might have to do some digging on this. I was really hoping disabling like the TCM would fix that. I mean, the only other option being is that I just need to do program cal, not full. I tried to program Cal just for shits and giggles. Ah, see, that was the one. See? Oh, never mind. It's back. I got excited for a minute. I just cleared the codes, that's why I went away, and it's back. I mean, it's still all the transmission stuff. I have to do some digging into this, guys, but we're not going to waste our time on it because the truck is ready to go, so it's not that big of a concern in my book, really. But it didn't work. I mean, the tunes worked, I think. We'll know when we drive it, but the check engine light's still there, so. Got some more digging to do. I'm gonna read some forums and stuff, but oh well, part of the name of the game, literally name of the game, is trying to figure this stuff out, so. Didn't expect it to work first try. I was hoping I got lucky, but not the case. Alright, so next thing that we have done, I haven't really looked into the EFI Live thing, but we're gonna remove the headlight just to show you. I already did it. You can see right there, I notched out a part of the headlight housing or whatever, because I have LED headlights now, and they have this big ass fan on the back. So in order to make them clear and not have to be like pointing in a weird direction, I don't know if you can really see that, but the fan sits back. And now they're notched, so it's not pressing up, because I put them in before and it was like shooting the headlight like way up into the sky. So real quick and easy fix. Come on, thing. Oh, this way. Also might help if I put the headlight in right. There we go. So now they're good. I'm probably gonna have to readjust them tonight, so I'm probably gonna drive this truck to work. The last real thing that I need to do is clean up all this mess and figure out a mount for these. I don't really know how I'm gonna do that yet. I mean, I had an idea, but the problem is I can't get my welder out here to weld these where I need them. So I am going back to the drawing board of things I can possibly do. But in the meantime, I might finish cleaning up in here on this bedside. It's nasty. And cleaning this frame rail, so that way we can paint it. I got some cleaning stuff for it and all that good. So, yep, just tightening up the little things. I rerouted the wiring that was over here, all right here, because it was all kind of hanging down before. So now I have it stuffed up where it's supposed to go, behind the headlight. So everything is coming together. Obviously I need to reroute all this mumbo jumbo. I need to take these off. So there's still a lot of little things to do. Oh, it looks like this one just fell off. Well, that kind of makes my life easy. Nice. Oh well. I'll just get that one off and we'll be good to go. Alright guys, I have soaked my filter with K&N Power Clean for this dry filter. I gotta clean it out. I was not able to get a new one in time. So I think all that's left is mount the brake lines and the coilover mounts, or the reservoir mounts. So that is kind of all we have to do left. I need to figure out how I'm gonna do that. So that's kind of my next project. When I come up with an idea, I'll let you guys know, and we'll do it. But anyways, with this, you want to let it sit for 10 minutes. Don't let it dry, and rinse it out from the inside out and clean all the dirt off. Well, I know it's not the most legit thing, but better than the chicken wire I had in the back, and at least it's sturdy now. So we have the reservoirs mounted. I figured out a way to do it, and pretty stoked. So, I mean, it's fucking sturdy. It's, you know, it's not going nowhere. It's got rubber in there, so don't worry. But it is what it is. We got stuff to do. This is not final form, by the way, guys. I know some of you guys may think this is like it, and once it's done, it's done. That's not the case. This is going to be a work in progress for the rest of my life. But at least it's a little bit more legit than it was just chicken wired to the frame. So, I mean, 5 feet away, you'd never know. I'm going to do the other side real quick when I can find my file. And then we'll see how it looks. Alright guys, so we have the final, we got them both mounted pretty good enough. Went through, coated this side again, or just did some under the bed stuff, and sprayed this side. So we got the air filter back on after it dried out for a little bit too. And we quick detailed the turbo a little bit under the hood. That's some, I want to say it's paint. I need to get a new filter, I know it, but anyways, the only thing really left that I'd like to do is mount the brake lines, which I have stuff for. It's just a matter of getting it done. But I think we're okay for right now. So yeah, so that's, I think most of the prep is done. We're about ready to roll to Sacramento. I'm gonna do one last look over on all the welds and everything, and I think that's gonna do it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Just a bunch of little prep stuff. We should have an exhaust piece tomorrow to get rid of the flex pipe, so we will be doing away with this. I know it's not the prettiest thing, but I have a legit 90 coming, so we can take care of this for the most part. And yeah, so that's gonna do it. Thanks for tuning in today, guys. I'm just gonna keep hammering away at this, and hopefully have a good time at Truck Mania. Hopefully make it in one piece. It's kind of all I'm worried about, is making it there, making it back, and then yeah. So alright guys, we'll catch you later. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a like, a comment, anything you guys want to see. Always just drop it down below, and we'll see you in the future.